Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll walk you through all the features of Blue Star Inverter AC's remote control. Whether you're using it for the first time or just exploring some hidden functions, this will help you get the best out of your AC. Power button. Let's start with the basics. This button here, that's your main power button. Press it to turn your AC on or off. Simple and essential. Remote display. Now take a look at the remote screen. It gives you all the key info at a glance, like temperature, time, fan speed, and a bunch of helpful icons. Some are always there, like the clock and temperature. Others pop up only when they're active, like the light, turbo, or energy-saving icons. The display has 5 rows. First row displays modes: AI Pro, Cool, Dry, Fan. Second row displays clock. Third shows set temperature, sleep icon, fan speed. Fourth row shows energy save and turbo mode. And fifth row shows light and swing icons. Each row helps you know exactly what's going on with your AC. Plus and minus buttons. Want it cooler or warmer? Just press the plus or minus buttons. One press changes the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. Hold it down for 2 seconds and it'll adjust faster. A quick note: in auto mode, you won't be able to change the temperature. Mode button. Now, the mode button lets you switch between different ways the AC works. Every time you press it, it cycles through AI Pro, Cool, Dry, and Fan modes. Let's break them down. AI Pro mode. This one's smart, really smart. The moment you switch it on, the AC starts checking the room and even the temperature outside. Based on all that info, it figures out the most comfortable settings for you, adjusting both the cooling and the fan speed on its own. Once your room hits your desired temperature, the AC keeps fine-tuning the fan to maintain that perfect chill. So you get comfort, quick cooling, and energy savings, all in one go. Cool mode. This is your go-to for hot days. You just set the temperature you want, anywhere between 16 and 30 degrees Celsius, and your AC does the rest. What's nice is that you can also choose the fan speed separately. So even if the room is already cool, you can crank up the fan speed for a stronger breeze. Dry mode. Feeling sticky or muggy indoor? That's when dry mode comes in handy. It doesn't just cool your room, it also pulls out the excess humidity from the air, making the space feel a lot more comfortable, especially in coastal or rainy areas. Just set your temperature and let the AC handle the rest. Fan speed in this mode is fixed. Fan mode. Don't need cooling but still want some airflow? Switch to fan mode. In this mode, the AC's compressor stays off, so there's no cooling, just a steady breeze. You can still control the fan speed based on what feels right for you. Need help changing fan speed? We'll cover that in the fan speed section coming up. Fan button. Speaking of fan speed, hit the fan button to choose from auto, low, medium, or high. Keep pressing to cycle through the options. Clock button. Want to set the time? Press the clock button. You will see the icon blink. Use the plus and minus to set the time. Then press the clock button again to confirm. Quick tip: when you insert new batteries, the clock icon blinks until you set it. Timer on/off button. You can also schedule your AC to automatically turn on or off. Press timer on to set a time for it to turn on, the clock icon will blink. Adjust the time, wait 5 seconds, and it's a set. Want it to turn off automatically? Use the timer off button and do the same thing. Light button. Want to see the AC panel in the dark? Press the light button to turn on the backlight. Press again to turn it off. Sleep button. Heading to bed? Press the sleep button while your AC running in cool mode. The AC will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for 2 hours, then maintain it. So, if you start at 22 degrees Celsius at 10 pm, it will go to 23 degrees Celsius at 11, 24 degrees Celsius at midnight, and hold that till morning. It's a great way to stay comfortable and save energy while you sleep. Energy Save Eco Mode. If you want to cut down on power usage, press the Energy Save button in cool mode. Your AC sets the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius and fan speed to low and keeps them there. To exit, press the button again, or it will reset if there's a power cut or you turn off the main power. Vertical and horizontal swing. Want the air to reach every corner of the room? Use the swing buttons. Press vertical swing to move the louvers up and down. Hit it again to stop wherever you like. Press horizontal swing to move them side to side. Again, press to stop at your preferred angle. 5-in-1 Convertible Cooling. This is one of the most flexible features your AC offers. The 5-in-1 Convertible Cooling lets you adjust your AC's cooling capacity based on how much cooling you actually need in real time. It works with 2 buttons, 5-in-1 Convertible and 5-in-1 Turbo. Use the 5-in-1 Convertible button to reduce the cooling capacity step by step. Perfect for cooler days or evenings when full power isn't needed. And when it gets hot again, just use the 5-in-1 Turbo button to crank it back up. For example, if you have a 1.5 ton AC, but the day is cloudy and cool, you don't need full cooling. You can press the 5-in-1 Convertible button to bring the AC's capacity down to as low as 40%. Each press reduces it by 20%. First press, 100% capacity. Second press, 80%. Third press, 60%. Fourth press, 40%. Fifth press, back to normal, full capacity mode. This smart adjustment means you get the comfort you need while saving big on electricity. Best part is, you can switch it up anytime you want. This works only in cool mode and stays active even if you turn the unit off or use the timer. 5-in-1 Turbo Mode. Need a burst of quick cooling? That's where 5-in-1 Turbo Mode comes in. Just make sure you are in cool mode. Then press the 5-in-1 Turbo button. Instantly, your AC drops the temperature to 16 degrees Celsius, sets the fan to turbo speed, and kicks into high gear to cool your room as fast as possible. During this phase, you will see HC on the display. That means Turbo Mode is active. You can exit Turbo Mode anytime by pressing the same button again or switching off the AC. And if you don't do anything, don't worry. The AC will automatically exit Turbo Mode after 20 minutes, once the room is nice and cool. Just a heads up, because the AC is running at full capacity in this mode, you might notice slightly higher noise, vibration and energy use. But the fast cooling? Totally worth it. And that's it. These are all the features of your Blue Star AC remote. We hope this walkthrough helps you use it with ease and enjoy the perfect cooling experience every time.